I also want to acknowledge Pauline's
Mm.
effort. When she married my dad, nag-step up din talaga siya. Parang kitang-kita ko yung talagang minsan siya talaga, okay, let's have dinner. Dinner at your dad's place. Let's celebrate Oyo's birthday. Let's do this. Parang even if may kids na sila, si Baby Tia, Mochi, and
Mm.
Tali, she still makes it a point to plan dinners with the bigger or the older siblings. And that's why sabi ko, ayoko i-take yung credit. I feel that my dad's great job
Mm.
dun sa
Mm.
aspect na pwede naman din na lang niya kami pansinin, matatandang
Mm.
dati. Pero siya talaga, siguro masasabi ko siya rin yung binding force.
Mm. But you started it. And I'm very happy kung ano yung nakikita kong relationship mo with your siblings. Talagang nakaka-proud. Kasi nangyayari to sa, kahit sa ordinaryong pamilya eh. 'Di ba?
Yeah, yeah. Siyempre,
Mm.
wala namang perfect na family. Pero,
Mm.
kumbaga, parang doon ka sa kung saan yung magiging okay. Kasi, di ba, sabi,
Mm.
ang dami ng mga nangyayari sa mundo, mas maganda na yung, tayo, yung
Oo.
masaya lang, di ba?
Mm.